Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your Squarespace with Facebook Commerce. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end. Follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website if you have not already by going to squarespace.com, and from here this is going to open up this main page. So from this home page we can get started looking at the left side of the screen where we can get started editing everything we need regarding our website. And if you go into the settings option right here at the bottom of the screen, you can open up your settings menu where at the left side of the screen you have your third-party tools you can open up, and then take a look at connected accounts. From there you can get started with connecting your Facebook account, or you can go ahead and open up the extensions marketplace right here and then search for something like Facebook or Meta and so on. As you can see, currently there is no option directly for Facebook Commerce. Sadly, Squarespace has not integrated with them. As you can see on the Squarespace forum, somebody asked the same question on plans for integrating with Meta shops, and currently there are no plans for this. So you do not have any direct way. What you can do is go ahead and transfer your store to something that Squarespace supports. You can find all the third-party tools right here that you can use for your store, and maybe you can go ahead and connect your store that way, or you can go ahead and just connect it via social media as I just showed you in the settings by going into the connected tools and connecting your Facebook account. But currently that is everything you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.